Okay guys, I'm gonna try to get you outside and show you what our blizzard looks like. But so far, here's the window. So, on both sides. There. So, you know, out here, visibility is very low. And I'll get you out there and show you. So if you see, there's my husband. You can barely see him, but he's out there with the 2-cycle snow blower and shoveling to get to the greenhouses. We were out there at 11 o'clock at night last night to uncover the big one, which was a good idea because it was starting to collapse. So he's making his way back out to the other greenhouse, which is way beyond those pine trees. So there's a lot of work to be done besides feeding the animals. So more in a minute. And then you wonder why I don't have time to do videos. I really don't have time in this this weather. So even though I'd like to have all the time in the world to do videos, I can't. I am too busy firefighting the snow, the weather, the inside stuff, just a lot of stuff to do. So sorry if we haven't been prompt with our videos. So more in a minute. Go, or do you want to wait until you dig ourselves out of the thing?
Probably about 5 to 10 minutes.
Okie dokie, please be careful, okay? That's how we do it. We use walkie-talkies to keep in contact, which is a good thing. More later. Hey, baby. Oh, hold on. So this is my husband.
Huh?
He just come back in from outside.
My nose is running low.
You're frozen. So I got everything going. Let me get dressed. You want me to get dressed and get going? Are we ready for that trail back there?
You wait. Oh, you picked up the water already?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a chore,
It's a chore.
but I love it.
Yeah.
Is it warm? Thank you.
I don't know if it's warm,
I can
but
always count on it.
I don't know if it's warm, but
Thank you, sweet.
let me get my boots on and stuff. And then
Yeah, I know that once I get to the other side of the big barn, I'm gonna have to dig my way
over to the
to
other
the
side,
pigs
to the babies.
and to the small barn. So
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be all that much work, but I know I can't get the snowblower back there.
No, just leave it over here. I wouldn't leave it out in the snow, but
So
it's snowing again.
it'll be Sir Manuel labor doing the work. So
So let's get going. It's gonna, yeah, it's snowing again. It's not supposed to snow until 10 o'clock. It's not supposed to snow until 10 o'clock. My husband's having a hard time hearing.
I think
It's only 8:30. So,
well, when we went out there at 11 o'clock last night, that
Yep.
really helped. Yeah, it was a good idea you had.
yeah, but did you look at the,
I looked at. I couldn't see out there, but I see this greenhouse.
yeah, but there's a
This
difference.
greenhouse is holding up pretty good.
Well, this one always holds up
The
good.
one out there.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna have to get to that one after I
We gotta take a,
after we feed
Yeah.
the animals.
I have
And
a,
after that, then I gotta work on the driveway.
yeah, okay.
So-
So you know that my husband's got really hard of hearing, so it's kind of like a one-sided
But you gotta
conversation.
love the UP.
So here we go. Yeah, so we use an app to communicate
Yep.
because of his hearing is almost gone. So, but it works out. Even though I keep talking, he doesn't hear me talking. So
Yeah.
he's not trying to be rude or nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's just deaf. So yeah, take that into consideration. Okay, more in a minute. Let's go. Okay, this is This is the results of the blizzard here. And you can see in front of us or back of us. I'm going to switch you around so you can see the front. This
tree here, see how the snow's piled up on all the branches?
I know, right? Let's go over here and check it out. Oh, you did the walkway a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit of wind will take care of that. You see that? Is that cool? So, that's our lilac tree right there. This is what the blizzard did last night.
Yep, it was a white Christmas.
Yeah, it's always there. So we can start walking this way. Okay, I'm not doing chores, so I'm just showing everybody the snow that we are looking at. That's a street out there somewhere. Okay, more in a minute. And here's my chickens right here. They're doing good. And here are my ducks. They got their food, their water, and over here, this is, we call her Joker. She's in there. And then we got these guys here. They're eating the corn. So you see, there you are. Okay. But this is what it looks like outside. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me check on the girls. Girls, it's not fit for man or beast out there, girls. It's not fit for man or beast. Yeah. Una sleeps in here. Hemo sleeps over there. Because Hemo is getting to be aggressive. Yes, sir. You're getting a 100, 200 pound aggressive male. Yeah. Oh, honey. I love you, baby. Kisses. That's all. Oh, okay. No biting. Okay, gotta go. Let's see what my husband's doing. Hi, Max. Hi, Max. What you doing? Hi, Max. Where's Simeon? Hey, Simeon. Hi, Sim. Everybody's eating. Yep. Breakfast. Let's see. This is my husband. I'm not going out there just yet. The pigs are over there. I don't know how they're going to manage. It's 18 degrees. Feels like 7 below 0. So, Fahrenheit. We're not talking Celsius. So, more in a minute. Sorry, guys. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Let me close this door, guys. 1 second. Trying to videotape. Okay. Oh, it's warmer in here. Oh, thank God. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Okay, let me see what we got here. Alright. So, hello, Pearl. Hi, Opal. Hi, darling. Hello, darling. Just my pocket. Alright. Where's my other one? Donkey. There's Donkey. Okay. Okay, babies. Hold on. Let's get it. Hi, girls and boys. They seem to be okay. Okay, gotta go. Alright. How's your water? Oh, that looks good. You can't come out, honey. Can't come out, baby. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys. Everything looks good to me. Gotta go. Alright, more later. Let me show you what it's like to have pigs in a blizzard. This is 18 degrees, feels like 7 below out here. Oh my gosh, it's cold.
Hay right now. I'm just setting right here so their feet aren't in the cold.
Okay, hi girls. Yeah, they're cold. Hi girls, sorry. I know it's cold. I know girls. Hold on, beauties. Hold on, pretty girls. I gotta get my hand covered. I know you're hungry. Hold on, baby. Okay. Alright, gotta go. Woo! Woohoo! That's cold. Hi, loves. Hi, darlings. Oh, you're so beautiful. Yeah! Oh! Oh boy, we got Charlotte jumping the fence there. Okay, all right, let me go get it.
So boys and girls, huh? They're your pickup lines?
Okay, honey, hold on. Okay. They are hungry. Yeah, I know, hold on. Here, let me grab this here so I can decoy them. Let me grab this here. I know, girl. I know, I'm decoying them. Okay, there we go. So that he can get it in there. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, Lord. Ooh, I can't breathe. Oh, that's cold. Babe. I can't breathe. Woo. Oh my God, that's like 30 below zero, Richard. It's so cold. Let's go, honey. Let's go. Whew. You guys hurry up and eat. Get in. Let's go, baby. It's not fit for man or beast out here. I can't even talk anymore. My mouth is frozen. That's probably a good thing for that's probably a good thing for him. Sorry, honey. I'll take those two things. Give me these. You take those. All right, let's get in there. Oh, Jesus. Hold on. I'm trying to videotape. This is why I don't do winter videos. It's too difficult to do videos. Oh, shoot. And yeah, life is not easy in a sub-zero cold. Oh my God, this is like Florida in here. This is nice. Oh, I'm frozen. I need more grain. I need more. Oof.
You okay? Your hands are cold, huh?
Yeah, holding this thing, holding this camera to videotape. It freezes my hand right off.
Gloves, even though
no,
I'm
talking. He's deaf, so be patient. It's videotaping.
Are you?
No, videotaping.
Yeah, I know. Makes your hands cold.
Would you expose yourself to that cold out there? It is freezing. This hand is probably just scrapped totally. No, I don't even put it in there. My hand is so cold. I was putting it underneath my
Stick them under my pits?
No, I put them in my shirt already. Stop it. Anyways, yeah, more later. So I'm going to take you out and show you what my husband's doing. He advised me not to go out there, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to videotape it for the last of our videotape. So I'll probably get yelled at, but here we go. So he videoed, so he shoveled all the way out this way. I'm going to do this real quick because I don't have no glove on. And I'm losing my balance. Don't mind if I start losing my breath because it's not only going uphill, it's cold out. More in a minute. Okay, I'm over here. It is very cold. The wind is coming out of the north behind me, and I'm just catching my breath, and it's so cold. It's wind chill's got to be 20, 30 below zero. Okay, here we go. This is what he did. Look at that. Holy crap. Oh my God. Look at. Jesus. Excuse me, Lord. Forgive me. Venial sins. This is insane. Okay, here we go. He told me not to come out. See what happens. Look. Look at that. Oh. Okay, my hands are killed. I get inside. Oh no. Look what happened. Oh, shit. Oh boy. Yeah, I can hear him out there. Hold on. So, we have a snow load over here. We need to clear up. I'm not clearing it. I helped him with this one this morning. It was like that on this side this morning. Well, actually at 11 o'clock last night. Now this side is the same way. I put those posts over there because there's a lot of wind pushing on this side. And I don't feel like having it to collapse. I think we went too wide. But that's okay. We'll take care of what needs to be done as it comes home. My husband's out there now. He doesn't know I'm here. So he must have just started on that side. We need to get that load off of there. These are cattle panels. If we had to do it again, I would probably put supports in, and we might even think about that during the summer. But right now, it's just a matter of maintaining for this winter. We'll figure out what we're going to do next fall, next winter. So, but this was a blizzard. And I don't think blizzards come through here too often, but if they do, this is what we have to deal with. More in a minute. I think I'm going to sneak around and check on my husband real quick. Hopefully he doesn't see me and get mad. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's a lot of snow. Oh. Hey.
Yeah.
So what's happening here? What's happening? Can you give a little synopsis about what's happening here? What's happening?
Well, ice is forming along the bottom, right where the cattle panel hits the wood.
Yep.
And it's all ice.
All
and
ice.
The ice is holding up the snow, and that's why we're getting this thawing action. The same thing happened to the other side, but it was just snow accumulation on that side.
Yes.
I figure another 45 minutes, an hour, and this will be all cleared.
Yep.
It'll be reshaped, reformed.
And we can keep up with it then, instead of coming out here
It's
often.
part of living up in the UP. Gotta
Yeah.
love it.
You gotta love it, man. That's my Eskimo man right there. He won't come in, but he's got the. God love
My
him.
hearing's not so good, love.
Oh no, it's okay. His hearing's not so good. I'm sure you heard him. But anyways, God is good.